Welcome back to Superhero Powers. Today, we're unlocking a power that can turn challenges into opportunities: positivity. To help us learn how to use positivity in our lives, we're diving into the book by Jon Gordon, author of The Energy Bus.
Hey, superheroes! Today we're talking about positivity, the superpower that helps you tackle challenges and keep moving forward with a good attitude. And to guide us, we're learning from Jon Gordon and his book, The Energy Bus. Drew is here to help us break it down.
Jon Gordon is a speaker and author who helps people stay positive and work together as a team. In The Energy Bus, he discusses how positivity can help us overcome tough situations and achieve big goals.
That's right, Drew. Positivity doesn't mean ignoring problems. It's about tackling them with the right mindset. How does Jon show us that positivity is a superpower?
One of Jon's big ideas is that you're the driver of your own energy bus. That means you get to choose where you're going and how you'll get there, with positive energy.
That sounds so exciting. What's one of your favorite rules from the Energy Bus?
My favorite rule is fuel your ride with positive energy. It's about focusing on things that make you happy, like spending time with friends, doing what you love, or even just smiling more.
That's such a great way to think about it. Positivity is like fuel for your day. But what does Jon say about when things don't go our way?
He has a rule called no energy vampires allowed. That means you should avoid people or thoughts that drain your energy. Instead, you should focus on solutions and keep moving forward.
How does Jon use positivity to help people in real life?
He works with teams like athletes and businesses to show how positivity helps people work better together. If everyone brings good energy and encourages each other, the whole team gets stronger.
That's such an important lesson, Drew. Positivity isn't just about helping yourself. It's also about lifting others up.
Exactly. Jon says that when you stay positive, you inspire the people around you. It's like being the driver of the energy bus and showing everyone the way.
Let's break down 3 superhero steps to help you stay positive, just like Jon Gordon.
Focus on the good. When something goes wrong, think about what you can learn from it or what's still going right. Choose your energy. Surround yourself with people and activities that lift you up, and avoid those that drain your energy. Be a team player. Help others stay positive by encouraging them and working together. So Scott, let's tell our viewers what the superhero mission is today.
Here's today's mission. Practice your positivity superpower by doing one of these 3 things.
Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day for a week. Find one way to encourage a friend or family member to stay positive. Think of a challenge you're facing and come up with a positive way to handle it. I'll try thinking about what went well each day, even if things were tough. That'll help me stay positive.
Great idea, Drew. Let's inspire others by focusing on the good. Great job today, superheroes. Remember, positivity isn't about ignoring problems. It's about tackling challenges with a good attitude. Just like Jon Gordon, you can use positivity to fuel your ride and inspire others.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode where we unlock the next superpower. See you soon, superheroes.